Hello dear students, I welcome you all to my channel. Let's continue with question number 13 today. So question says, find BC, AD and AC. So your corresponding diagram is given out here. So first we need to find BC. So let's see, where is BC? So BC is out here. So if you look at triangle ABC, okay, if you look at triangle ABC, this is a right angle triangle because it is given to be 90 degree out here, isn't it? Okay, and this triangle ABC has one of the side BC, which needs to be found out, right? Now you might be thinking there's one more right angle triangle, that is BDC, which also contains BC, right? Now let us see whether we'll be able to find BC using this triangle or not. Okay, so you know that in order to calculate any one of the unknown side or angle, what we need to do is we need to know the two quantities out here, right? But in this triangle, if you see, we have only one thing known, that is this angle. So that's why we will not be able to find BC using this right angled triangle. Now let us have a look at this bigger triangle ABC. Here AB is given to be 12, so one quantity is given and one of the angle is also given. So that's why in order to find BC, we'll make use of triangle ABC. Okay, so from triangle ABC, okay, so let us see what is happening here. This is my theta given angle, side opposite to this is AB, right? So AB is my perpendicular, obviously AC is my hypotenuse and BC will be my base. Okay, so basically what is given? Perpendicular is given to us, right? So perpendicular is given and we want to find base. So perpendicular by base is what? It is tan, right? So we have tan theta equals to perpendicular by base. What is AB? AB is 12, and what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So do the cross multiplication. Your value for BC turns out to be 12 into root 3, that is 12 root 3 centimeter. So we have found it our first answer. Second is we need to find AD. So where is AD? Let's have a look at this. So AD is out here, right? Okay, so we will find what is AD. Okay, so from triangle ABD, so let's observe this triangle. Now this is again right angle triangle because this has to be 90 degree, isn't it? Okay, so we have cos 60 degree. See here carefully. Now how come this 60 is arriving? I'm going to tell you that. So this is 30. We know that this is 90, isn't it? So obviously this has to be 60, no, because 60 plus 30 plus 90 gives me 180 degree, and we know that some of the interior angles of a triangle will be 180 degree. So obviously this has to be 60 degree. Okay, so this is my given angle 60, side opposite to this is BD. Yes, so this is my perpendicular, this is 90 degree, so opposite to this, that is AB is my hypotenuse. All right, and AD becomes my base, isn't it? So we want to find ED, that is this. So we have base by hypotenuse, because we know hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse is cos. Okay, so angle is 60 degree as I already said. So cos theta, that is cos 60 degree, equals to base, that is AD by hypotenuse, that is AB. Okay, let us put the value. So cos 60 is half, AB is given to be 12. So from here AD turns out to be 12 by 2, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, so we founded our AD as well. Okay, so our last aim is to find AC, isn't it? So let us find AC. Okay, so in order to find this whole AC, we have to again look to the bigger triangle. Okay, so we are talking about right angle triangle ABC. Okay, so this time AC is my hypotenuse, remember? Okay, and what is given to us? It is given that perpendicular, right? So we have perpendicular by hypotenuse is sin theta, that is theta is 60, I'm sorry, theta is 30 degree out here, right? So this is AB is given to 12. So from here AC turns out to be, after cross multiplication, 24 centimeter. So you may pause the video to note down. Okay, so let's see question number 14. So in the right angled triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Okay, so there's a right angle triangle where angle B has to be 90 degree. Find the magnitude of angle A if AB is root 3 times of BC. Okay, so let's quickly draw the right angle triangle, and we have to draw 90 degree at point B. Okay, so you can clearly see that at B it is 90 degree. Okay, now we need to find the magnitude of angle A. That means we need to find how much is this angle A. Okay, fine. Now what is given to us? AB is root 3 times of BC. Okay, so basically AB is root 3 times of BC means AB is equals to root 3 BC. Alright. Okay, now from here let me take BC down there. Okay, so BC goes down, so we have AB by BC equals to root 3. Okay, so let us see what is AB. See, this is my angle, no, right? So this is my angle, so side opposite to this, that is BC, becomes my perpendicular. Remember that. Okay, this is 90 degree, so opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. This is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and whatever is left over is my base. Okay, so they are talking about AB, that is base by BC. BC is perpendicular, so it is base by perpendicular, and we know that base by perpendicular is cot theta. And how much is theta out here? Theta is A, right? So that's why instead of this I'm writing cot A. Okay, so we know that. Okay, so since you are introducing cot here, you will introduce cot in the right hand side also, and we know that root 3 can be written as cot 30 degree, because the value of cot 30 degree is root 3. So you remove this cot and cot, so you'll have A equals to 30 degree. Okay, it's a very simple problem. You'll try number 2 by yourself. Okay, so you may pause the video to note down. Let's read question number 15. So a ladder is placed against a vertical tower. If the ladder makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground and reaches up to a height of 15 meter of the tower, find the length of the ladder. Okay, so this kind of question is very important, as you are going to deal with the very same kind of problems in your class 10 as well. Okay, so that particular chapter is known as height and distance. Okay, so basically here there's a tower. Okay, and you're leaning a ladder on the tower. Okay, so this is like my ladder. Okay, and this AB is what? AB is my ground. Okay, and according to question, this ladder makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Okay, so this angle is made by the ladder with the ground, and this angle has to be how much? It is 30 degree. Okay, and reaches up to a height of 15 meter of the tower. That means this ladder, when you keep it at 30 degree angle, it reaches at the height of 15 meter of the tower. That means basically BC, this height is given to be 15 meter. Find the length of the ladder. That means you need to find this. All right, so as you can clearly see from the figure, this ABC is a right angle triangle. This is my 90 degree, so side opposite to this, that is this ladder, becomes my hypotenuse. Okay, and here this is the given angle, isn't it? This is 30 degrees, so side opposite to this, that is BC, becomes my perpendicular. Okay, and perpendicular, that is height, is given to be 15 meter. So 15 meter is given, this angle is given, so we will be able to find AC, isn't it? So perpendicular and hypotenuse has to be used, so that's why we have. Okay, so let me take this length of the ladder to be x meter. All right, fine. So if this is my x, then from the figure, as I said, this perpendicular by hypotenuse will be equals to sine. Yes, so we have sine 30 degree equals to perpendicular, that is 15 by hypotenuse, that is ladder. And how much is the length of ladder? It is x. So let us put the value of sine 30, it is half. So from here, after cross multiplication, x turns out to be 15 into 2, that is 30. So that's why x is actually the length of the ladder. So therefore the length of the ladder is how much? 30 meter. So you may pause the video to note down. Okay, so here's a similar kind of question to you. So a kite is attached to a 100-meter long string. Find the greatest height reached by the kite when its string makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground level. Okay, so this will be your homework. I'll just give you the diagram. So this AC will be your length of the string. Okay, and this string is making angle 60 degree. This is my 60 degree with the ground. So basically they are asking you what is this height. Okay, what will be the height reached by the kite. Okay, so that means you need to find this height. All right, so this is my given angle, so side opposite to this is perpendicular, so basically you need to find perpendicular from the diagram. Okay, so as I said, this is the length of the string and this is given to be 60 degree, and we have length of the string equals to 100 meter, remember. So this side is given 100 meter and one of the angles. So basically we got the two quantities given, we need to find the third quantity. All right, so you will complete this by yourself. Thank you very much.